What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last time here. And you already know how to do that if you watched my channel before. In case you haven't and you're new to my channel, welcome. What you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified when I post a new video, okay? Of new content, new recipes. So, today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am going to be making potato salad. Yesterday I made collard greens, so why not do the potato salad? So let's grab the ingredients and let's get it started. Okay, so I grabbed the ingredients, so let me show you what you will need to make potato salad without the eggs. Okay, so of course we're using potatoes. I have the red potatoes. Okay, red or else it doesn't matter. Okay, then next I have the Veganese soy free. Okay, there's no soy, no eggs, no dairy. Okay, then we're going to use the relish. We're going to use some paprika. Then we're going to use the black salt. That gives it the egg smell and the egg taste. Okay, and also we're going to add a little pink salt. Okay, so that's all we need to make this potato salad. So let's start preparing it. Okay, so I prepared the potatoes. I'm sure all you guys know how to boil potatoes, am I correct? Hopefully I am correct, because if you don't know how to boil potatoes, you haven't been taught much. Nah, I shouldn't say that. Some people just don't be in the kitchen. Okay, so I boiled the potatoes. They are smoking, okay? They're steaming. They are steamy. So I'm gonna let these potatoes cool off till they're cold, and then I'm gonna add the other ingredients in. But make sure your potatoes are not crunchy, okay? We don't like no crunchy ass potatoes. No, we don't, okay? So put them in the refrigerator for a while after they cook so you can add the other ingredients to it, okay? Be back. Okay, so I'm back. So let's prepare the potato salad. The potatoes have chilled. So now I'm going to add the extra ingredients in that is needed. Hold on. Is the spoon. Gonna take out some of this mayo and put it into the potatoes. I'm not gonna mash up. Maybe I will mash up the potatoes a little bit, but I think I want to keep them chunky. Maybe we will see what happens. Okay, then we're gonna add in our. Okay, hold on. Okay, so trying to get this top off of the relish. I need some muscles. I've been working out. Pop off. Come on. Let's bring it up a little bit. That should break the seal, right? Yes, there we go. Now let me take out some relish, drop it in with the potatoes. I put like a tablespoonful because that's not a lot of potatoes. And we don't need that much. Now I'm going to add this black salt. Right, measure this out properly. Do like a teaspoon, not a lot. I'm going to put that in there too. Now I'm going to add a little paprika. Oh, hold on. This is new. This is not the paprika I wanted. This is the smoked paprika. I don't want the smoked flavor, so let me get the regular paprika. Hold on for one moment. Thank you. Okay, I couldn't find the paprika. As you can see, I have a lot of seasonings up here. So it's hard to find the seasonings that I want, where I can just grab and go, because I got to pull everything down and find one seasoning. So you know what I need? I need a spice rack. Yes, I do. I need a spice rack. That's what I need. I need in my kitchen. A spice rack. God, you hear me? I need a spice rack in my kitchen. When I move into my next mansion, God, you hear me? I need a spice rack. That waterfront mansion. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I know He will provide that. So let's keep going. You always got to speak what you want. Speak it. You got to manifest, okay? Don't have a scarcity mindset. That's no good. That won't work around me. So let's keep it pushing. Okay, so I'm going to add some mustard. A little bit of mustard. And I'm going to add a little bit more relish. And that shall do it. If you want pepper in yours, go ahead and put pepper. I'm not a pepper person unless I'm, doing turmeric with something, because pepper activates the turmeric. Okay, so let me put this in a plate and give you my review on how it tastes. Okay, be right back. Okay, so let's pan down so you can see the potato salad. There it is. If you like mashed potato salad, go ahead and mash it up. If you like your potato salad in chunks, go ahead and eat it in chunks. Okay, here's a piece of black salt that wouldn't crush. But there's a potato salad. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Hand back up.
Give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
And then this is a potato salad I ate as a kid, minus the eggs, okay? It's delicious. Trust and believe. So, again, if this is your first time here, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you come back and get some more delicious recipes, okay? And now, if you're interested in buying my Veganlicious ebook, go down to the description box and the information is there. You can buy my ebook, you give me a tip, or buy me a matcha. Okay, all the information you need is down below. Okay, so thanks for watching. Come back and see me sometime. Go ahead and enjoy your day. You already know. Enjoy life. Iluvo. Oh, and if you like onions in your potato salad, I ain't putting them in here. But if you don't want onions in your potato salad, you can use onion powder. Okay? So, I'm out.